Robert Neff, Sydney Young were missing. So that's why we had to use our robots, and we had 4 suspects. Later, after Sydney Young got out of the part of the island, she said that Robert Neff kidnapped her. She heard Robert Neff talking to someone about stealing the map. This is why we did lungs to do CSI. So we did this to help the captain fix the crewmates' lungs because they were all chipped and the captain needed help. Learning med and body system, we used blood drops, and Dr. Smart should have been there, and island body system, I learned how the lungs work. After the robots got onto the island, they scanned the area and found Sydney Young, who had a snake bite, and Howard Potter with a cut below his knee. The robots had to bring Sydney Young and Robert Neff back to Dr. Smart for medicine because Sydney had a snake bite on her ankle. They also used drones to search the island.
When Robert Neff kidnapped Sydney Young and Sydney got bitten by a snake, Robert might have tucked her back, hoping for an alibi, so it wouldn't make him as suspicious as he was.
So Dr. Smart has dissected a heart, so he knows how to treat, Sydney's wounded heart, and Dr. Smart knows how to treat snake bites in the heart.
Leading from all the evidence that we've had, Dr. Smart and Robert Neff have been found guilty because the fingerprint was Dr. Smart's, and we were sus of Robert Neff since the very beginning.
Make it look like he cared for Sydney.
Blood drops were important because they could identify where the blood came from and rule out certain people, and also determine if somebody, say with a hand injury, might have stolen the map. By measuring certain heights, we can determine where the blood drop came from. From our analysis, I've concluded that the blood dropped from the hand, or that the blood dropped from the hand or the waist. And from Captain logs, we know that Dr. Smart had a hand injury. So I think Dr. Smart took the piece of the map. Cornstarch found at the scene had the same reaction to iodine when used on cornstarch. So we knew that the mysterious substance was cornstarch, which Dr. Smart gave to Robert Neff as sunscreen, meaning they had worked together to take the map.
After many captain's logs, we were still really confused and we didn't know who stole the map. But after the fingerprinting, it was pretty obvious. The fingerprint looked exactly like Dr. Smart's. We solved the mystery.
After all the evidence Group 4 has collected, it is leading us to believe that Dr. Smart and Robert Neff have committed the crime of stealing a piece of the ancient map and kidnapping Sydney Young to sell the piece of the map on the black market and
Buy a new ship for themselves.